That destination dispatch system, it's a complexity nightmare. Let's autopsy why traditional elevator buttons are still the engineering gold standard. You walk up to a shiny new lobby, tap a touchscreen, pick a floor, now wait, while the software calculates your optimal trajectory. Meanwhile, the traditional button, you press it. It sends a direct current pulse to the relay. Milliseconds, not nanoseconds of overthinking. Tech bros love destination dispatch. They claim it solves elevator bunching. And sure, mathematically, it groups passengers by floor. But grouping isn't physics. When the lobby traffic spikes, the algorithm chokes. Queue latency spikes. You're staring at a loading circle while your coffee gets cold. Here's the real bottleneck. Every touchscreen, every networked controller, every firmware update adds a failure point. A single dropped packet means the elevator just sits there. Traditional buttons use hardwired contact closures. No Wi-Fi, no cloud sync, just copper and steel. Let's talk thermal efficiency. Modern dispatch servers in the machine room run hot. They need active cooling. Traditional call stations, they draw 0 watts at idle. You want sustainable engineering. Start with 1995. Back then, we knew that less heat meant less wasted energy. But wait, you say, what about structural stress? Destination dispatch promises smoother rides by optimizing acceleration curves. Cute, but every extra sensor and motor controller adds weight to the hoistway. More mass means more energy to lift. Traditional systems use regenerative drives. They give power back to the grid. Simple, clean, human factors. This is where destination dispatch completely tanks. You've seen it. Someone taps the 3rd floor. The machine rejects it. Invalid destination. Why? Because the lobby traffic algorithm thinks you're a ghost. Traditional buttons don't judge you. They just move you, and let's address the maintenance nightmare. When a destination panel fails, you need a certified software engineer. When a traditional button fails, you swap a mechanical switch. $2 whole, 10 seconds. No firmware rollback required. The real tragedy? We traded reliability for vanity. Architects love the sleek glass kiosks. Tenants hate waiting. It's a classic case of performance marketing masquerading as engineering. But here's the loop. Traditional buttons cause bunching during peak hours. So engineers added car assignment logic. Still hardwired. Still fast. Still doesn't require a software patch to work. Modern destination systems try to fix bunching with predictive AI. But predictive models only work if input data is perfect. Garbage in, garbage out. A smudged touchscreen or a flickering LED throws the whole scheduler into a deadlock. So yeah, destination dispatch is over-engineered garbage. Traditional buttons win, not because we're stuck in the past, but because physics, reliability, and basic human patience don't care about your SAW dashboard. Next time you're stuck in a lobby, remember, simplicity isn't lazy, it's optimized. And if you disagree, congrats, that's a skill issue.